Hello, good morning. I just made this video because I see that there is a bit of confusion. I have seen this post in in the Facebook group, and mm, they are saying that there is all these tools that are missing in MatrixGold. So let me show you because most of them are already in MatrixGold. So let's go for the first one. So the first one is cut to finger rail. So let me start and let me do it quite fast. So if I do something like this, and now I just place here a profile placer, I will just uh, what I will do from here, actually I will go and edit this one from the profile editor, so I can do something like this. To validate, I forgot to validate, so I do like this, I validate. So now we have, as you can see, if I have a look into the from view, let me just do the activate auto sweep. I'm just below the finger rail, so cut to finger rail. So if we go to the cutters, we have cut to ring rail. So I select cut to ring rail, select surfaces. These are the surfaces. Already the tool detects automatically the ring rail. I click enter. Let me just bring this up so I can see the display modes. And now, as you can see, I just cut the part that was inside the ring rail. So the first one, the missing tool from these missing tools that cut the finger rail, we will have it, is this one here. Plane and cube cutters. You're right, we don't have this one. No one has asked for this one so far, but if you believe that it's something that it's important to have, we can get it. We believe that it's quite easy to make any plane or cube to do to cut the ring, so you can do anything like this and extrude this curve pretty easy. So this will be the plane that, and this will be the same functionality that the plane cutter will be doing, and the same with the cube. But we can consider to bring it into MatrixGold if you believe that this is something important. Undo Boolean. I was a bit surprised about this one because something cool that we have in MatrixGold is everything about the Booleans. So now let me just place a few stones here. I will do it from like this. All right, so now if I place a few stones, gems, and I will place gems on curve. I will do like this. Okay, and with these stones I will place the cutters. And now I will do from solid the Boolean difference between this part and this part. All right, so now we have the Boolean done. As you know, because this is parametric, we can get the ring rail and we can edit it at any time. This will change everything, even the cut to ring rail that we have done. So I can go to number 8 and everything it has recalculate, the Boolean is still there. So undo Boolean. We don't need to undo the Boolean actually, because look at this. So you can undo the Boolean first of all, so you can go and delete the Boolean, that I will do this later, but you still have the gem cutters and the cut to ring rail. So you keep the objects that has been in this Boolean. All right, so this is important to know. So we don't need the undo Boolean because this software is parametric and we keep everything that has been used in this Boolean. So now I can go to delete Boolean, but the only thing that I need to do is just show and show, and we have them back here. All right, so and you still can keep doing anything that you want. So if you want to edit the profile, we can go to the profile placer and we still can edit this profile. And everything recalculates by itself. So the undo boolean is not a problem anymore. Metal don't work as matrix 9. Okay, so let's see how does it works though. So at least you know how it works. So we have the metal. Let me just bring it on. Metal weights. So these are the metal weights. Let me make it bigger. So you can have it like this. I select the polysurface and now I can say calculate, and it's telling me all the weights with the different materials. So we have quite a few. We will keep improving that. So something that still we don't have is allowing customers to create their own specific gravity, so they can create their own metal. This is something that we still don't have, but we will put it also in MatrixGold. We already have it in the to-do list. But from here, I really believe that you can get all the weights that you need. Then a smart target, yes, this is something that we don't have, but honestly, is something that no one has been asking a lot. But if you think, because the workflows in MatrixGold are different, you can achieve the same results with using other tools. So if there is, I please ask if there is any model that you use a lot, the smart targets. Please send it to us, so we will show you how to make it with the actual MatrixGold. And if we feel that is harder to make it with what we have in MatrixGold, then yeah, we can consider to add the smart target. A smart blend. So we have from transform, we have the shear smart flow blend. Okay, so then you have a smart target, a smart blend. So I would put this in the same category from Matrix. Yes, we don't have this, but I believe that we have different ways to work with that. So let me show you. Let me start from zero, because at the end of the day, what you are trying with the smart targets mostly, and if there is another case, please let me know, but is to give different shapes on the outside line. So now we have the ring rail. I will go for an outside. And what you would be using the smart targets probably is to add one here, another one here. So you can play with this curve in different shapes. But let me tell you something. Now, what we can do with MatrixGold is we can go to the profile placer and use just this curve and also this curve. I can go, let me just do like this and do a mirror. Mirror. And now I will do the sweep tool with this, and this. Okay, and now, because we can go back to the outside ring rail edit, and we can go to the edit profile, you can play with this curve. So if you want to get this and do more like this, you can do that. Or maybe you can do this. The same with this one. You can go like that. So you have many different options. You can add also, select the curve, I can add another control point. I will add it here. So now you can go like this. So as I said, please let me know if you still believe that the smart target can help you. But I believe that now having the profile editor allows you to do anything that you want. So I believe that with MatrixGold, we have solved this case with that. Okay, and then smart blend, cage edit bounding box. So anytime that you don't find anything, you can find it here. So let me see, what is it? Bounding box. So we have it here, and this is from the analyze box edit. So we have it in the, you see that the color is orange. So if you go to the transform, you go to transform, you have the cage editing, the cage edit, the create cage. So you have all the different tools that you need. Also here in the transform tab, and then curve network. Curve network is also in the surface. Curve network is also here, so we have also the curve network, and ring sizer don't work. This is one of the tools that the people is saying that they love it, and the people is quite impressed with that. Let me just import from collections just one ring, so I can show you one ring that is already done. Just say a cathedral ring. I will get this one, open. Wait, what I will do is just import it, because then I will keep the picture here. So I go to collections, rings, cathedral, and this one, what I will do is import it. Okay, so we have the cathedral ring here, and now, of course, that this ring is parametric, so I could go to the cathedral ring rail, change the size, and everything will change. But just to show you the ring resizer that we have, I will go to, what is it? I think that is in tools. There we go, ring resizer. I will get the model. So it already detects that is a number 7. And now I can, something very cool is that I can adjust the angle. So there is stones up to here. So I want to keep all these stones the same distance, everything the same distance. Now I want 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And also I want the halves. So I want all this resize ring. And there we go. So it took, I don't know if even it took 1 second, but we have all these rings with all the stones in the same place, keeping all the distances, so the setter can set the stones with no problem. We keep everything that is important at the same. The only thing that we have been working with is with the Sheng, and we added metal in that part, so the ring is in the right size. So I believe that this tool works pretty well. So as I said, I hope that this video gives a bit more of clarity on all these tools that you were saying that we are missing. And if there is anything that I'm missing, please let us know. We will be happy to improve with anything that you think that we should do in MatrixGold. Thank you.